Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through two most current VPN. And in this video, we're going to create a review and a comparison between the two VPN and their features, their benefit, and their pricing. So what I mean by the pricing is we got to know if they are paid or they are free VPN. So because we have a couple of free VPN, we also have our paid VPN. That VPN, before you can have access to their service, you have to pay for it. So those are the key content that we're going to look into in this video about these two websites, which is ExpressVPN. I can see from the screen this is ExpressVPN. If you want to log into the ExpressVPN, just go to expressvpn.com. Then it is Oyster VPN. Just go to www.org. Just use the host name, which is hostelvpn.com. This is the website over here. They have a very nice website with intuitive dashboard, which is make it awesome. Then this is ExpressVPN. So in this video, let's get started. So let's start with the rate at which people are talking about this website, this VPN website. So this ExpressVPN is known for its great work. It provides huge amount of a couple of services, which is ad blocker. They provide ad blocker. They provide threat manager. They also provide data remover. Let's go out and check it from their website. This is it from here. Features. So under the features, explore all features. So we're just trying to explore all the features from the video. You can see. So yeah, okay, good. Now, so this is from the features. Now, from their features, they provide password manager. They also provide a tracker blocker. They also provide ad blocker services, and that makes them one of the best websites so far. So good. Talking about website, these are the most important things right now. Talking about the website, which is password manager, tracker blocker. So talking about the tracker blocker, it enables threat managers to stop your device from communicating with unknown malicious sites on tracker, which is pretty cool. So under the password manager, ExpressVPN key lets you store your login and access them just by remembering one primary password, which is awesome. You can see that. Now, under the ad blocker, display ads are annoying and slow down your browsing. So block them with one tap in your app, which is simply okay. Now, best VPN technology for your privacy. So these are what makes them the number best VPN technology privacy. To provide the trusted server technology, they provide the private DNN. They also provide new activities or connection log. They also provide a lightweight protocol, best in class encryption, and network lock kill switch, which is awesome. So that's it. And their services they also provide the services on all devices. We have ExpressVPN on Windows, we have ExpressVPN for Mac, we have ExpressVPN for Android, iOS, Linux, Chrome, as Chrome extension. You can also add it as extension for Firefox. You can also add it as extension on Edge, which is awesome. You can also have it as VPN for Smart TV, VPN for Fire Stick. Also have it for VPN for Android TV, VPN for Apple TV, and also VPN for game console, VPN for PlayStation, for Xbox, and for router, which is okay. So that is that on ExpressVPN. So let's check out their pricing. Let's check out the pricing. We should have their pricing somewhere around here. Okay. Let's check. Do you have any send access for the pricing? Let's check under the product. Yeah, these are their products. They have been mentioned. It is a product, which is their services, their features, which is the threat manager, workers, or like that. Like I said. So it is okay. Now let's go to Oyster VPN. This is also a big VPN. Let's check the features. Let's check the main key features of this particular VPN. So for these key features for this VPN, they provide a zero log policy. They also provide a secure protocol. They also provide a DDoS protection and DNS 856 by bit encryption. In terms of privacy and freedom, they also block hacks. They also block hacks. They provide the P2P optimized server, multi-logins. They also provide a DNS leak protection. So under this, Oyster VPN is built to hide your web activities by just preventing DNS queries from linking. They also provide unlimited data. Get zero restriction on data consumption for browsing, streaming, and playing games online. And also, they also provide the hyperlink protection. And hyperlink can expose your identity on the internet, but not with Oyster VPN. And also, they provide the reliable services, always reliable. They have the NAT firewall, which is NAT firewall. They also provide the safe server. They have anti-malware protection. They provide ISP throttling. They also provide internet key switch, splitting tunnel, and all of that. And they also provide the services on all the platform, all the devices. We have them for we have the VPN for app, which is for Windows, for macOS, for Linux, iOS, Android, and Fire TV. And as the browser extension, we have it as Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Then as tools, they also provide DNS link test, which is okay. Let's check their pricing. They have their pricing, so this means that now under their pricing, this is the price. I have about 3 set of pricing. You have the plan 1, plan B, plan 3, which is plan 1, plan B, plan 2, plan 3, plan A, plan B, plan C. So this is the plan A or plan 1. You can see for the month subscription plus 2 months free, you are paying about $5.99. Then from here, you're also paying $39.99. Then from here for a year, they are getting essentially comes with a discount, which is 55% over the month plan, which is $39.99. Now here's the list of the services. They provide a 331 server under the most popular plan. They also give access to 331 server. Then under the year plan also provide 331 server. So to countries, you have ASEAN 28, 20, 20, 43. For 3 plans, they also provide the streaming services for the 3 plan. They also provide unlimited data for a year. Then under the most popular, they also provide about 200 gig per month data. Then under a month subscription, it is unlimited. Server switching, it is unlimited. They are both unlimited. Under the best class encryption, they are both unlimited. They are both in. Then 5 multiple logins. So you can only have access to these on 5 different accounts, same account, on different devices with same account. Once you exist more than that, then you're able to have access to this VPN, unless you have to log in from another VPN. So what VPN criteria is like about, okay? So these are just like others from other websites from talking about their services. So that's it. So currently, this is also just about my current VPN, my current location, which is very cool. Then under ExpressVPN as well, they also provide a lot of services, which is awesome. So you can see, they also provide under ExpressVPN. They also provide servers across 105 countries, which is awesome. They also enjoy sites and services. You enjoy VPN for gaming. You enjoy no log policy. You enjoy, they also enjoy the expert services. They explore more features under the ExpressVPN. Okay, good. So I'm allowed to check them out because to me this is okay. This is okay. Alright. So if you want to get started for any of this website or for any one of these VPN, you just tap on the get started button. So you just provide your email, then you create an account using a strong password, a strong and easy password that I can easily remember so that you don't lose your account. Same thing goes with this as well. If you're ready for pulling for the account, just get started, create an account, then log in with your Gmail, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and pray for me. Thank you.